everyone. When I was sick, Georgi recommended to me buy medicine, and I will show to you what kind of medicine I drink, and also how much medicine can buy in the Philippines. It's a Neozep, this one. Its price is 49 peso. But Georgi said, Georgi, how much you pay before saying medicine?
70 pesos.
70 peso. He pays 70, but in South Drug Store is 48 peso. And we're going from Walking Street right now to South Drug Store. This is popular drug store near Walking Street. We're going from Walking Street to this is drug store, and we can check price how much in drug store this is medicine. So we're going to South Drug Store. Yeah, Georgi know where he go.
He go not go?
He go also. This is South Drug Store working 24 hours. Shaira, 24 hours working. Yeah. Yeah, it's good, 24 hours. Yeah, it's good for tourists, it's good. If cold, you can wait me outside, yes. Need Neozep, Georgi?
No, you have picture.
Yes, I will show picture. Where I have. Ne Zep Forte, yes?
No, you need to ask. They don't have.
Maybe here have. Ah, here have only strepsils. Also this price have. How much strepsils? What is Bactidol? It's also good. Mhm. Okay. We bought already. Here in this branch. Okay, outside. Oh, many girls. Here in this branch is 60 peso. Online is 48 peso. But this price is okay. So we recommended Husik use Nezep.
Museum.
New Zep. How?
Museum.
Okay. Yes, thank you for watching. Shira need to say again.
Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Okay, Georgi, okay, we're going to home. See you tomorrow about 3 p.m. in SM. Okay? Shira will go to the... Where you go, Shira, tomorrow? Without me. Huh?
I don't know what name.
You don't know where. Okay, okay. Okay. But we meet together in SM. Party in SM. Georgi, okay. Oh, it says Filipino street food. Ah, also have price, also have, yes? Tianga. Ah, what is Tianga? What is 10 peso?
It's ear.
Huh?
Ear.
Hair.
Ear. Ear.
Ah, ear. Tianga. What is chicken tianga?
Ear. I said ear.
Ear? What kind of animal?
It's pork.
Pork. Ah, pork tianga is 10 peso. Ah, where? Show me, Shira. Yes, here.
This is beef.
I know Chinese people like this one. Okay. Aha, they cook like this. That's good. Masarap. Thank you.